Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, March the 2nd. The March for March, big boom yesterday, upside breakout, up 49 points in the S&P, 1978 was a close, a 2% plus move to start the month. Dow futures added 350, 16,850, and the Nasdaq led the way, gaining 3% and more, up 136 at 4338 in the NDX 100 index, now forming a bottom base and breaking out above those February highs for the last of those big three indexes. The dollar was steady in a 50-point range, 98.37 was the close, up 15. The euro currency, 60-point range as well, consolidating there, 108.70, down 15, still solidly below the 109 level. Treasuries, we've shifted over in the 30-year. Now we're trading the June contract. 162.11 was the close, unwinding 2 full points, actually 206, as stocks have stabilized and shot up. Crude oil, speaking of shooting up, continues to move higher above the 34 level. On the close yesterday, 34.40 was the finish, up 65 cents. The high of the session was 34.75. We're making a similar bottom that we had in stocks in the crude oil market, with 36 as a key level to push above. And lastly was gold. Did get as high as 12.49 during the session, but gave most of it back, actually finished negative, 12.31, down $4. So after the big burst yesterday, where these markets stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're off about 5 points in the E-mini S&P, 1973, at the end of earnings season, so lacking fundamentals to give the markets a push here at these levels. Dow futures, 16,804, down 45, still more than 1,000 points off those February lows, and the Nasdaq's giving back 7 at 43.31. The dollar index is turned around some and getting back yesterday's losses, up 12 at 98.49, giving that euro currency a push to the downside here, down 14 at 108.55 as it stands. Treasuries down 2 tinies and 2 ticks here at 162.09. An update on the yields. We've seen a push to the downside in price in the 30-year. So right now the yields bounce back up to 2.71, and the 10-year note solidly above that 1 3/4, now pressing on 2% at 1.84 in the 10-year note. Crude oil down 60 cents at 33.75, still hanging around, and gold unchanged at 12.31. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of weakness here in the E-mini S&P, down 5 points, Dow futures down 45, and the Nasdaq down 7 after that big burst yesterday. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.